We're dropped into Knoxford Fabrications, Castle Donington. Now, first of all, what do you do, Jamie?
Fabrication company.
What sort of, thanks very much. But what sort of fabrication work?
All sorts, from point of sale, signage, just general fabrication from railings, anything that anyone can walk through the door, we will do.
Okay. Now, you do need a press brake. What was your predecessor to the machine we've got over our shoulder?
It was Edwards Pearson, 2.5 metre, 60 tonne, from 1989, I think.
I know. So a good workhorse then?
Yeah. It's had its day really, and we decided to go with Durma and buy this ADR 420.
Yeah. Well, 4220.
Yeah,
so big decision to make. Now, how long have you had it?
2 years.
Okay. So, and you've not used Durma or Access Status before. So why did you decide to go that route?
It's the most cost-effective machine for us really at the time.
Now, it's the ADR 4220. So what sort of sheet can it take?
Well, it'll do 4 metres. It's 220 tonne.
That's it, simple as that?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Okay. But it's not just about, obviously, the width and the force it could do. What other things you like in the machine?
It's very easy to use. It's got a 2D screen, so even an inexperienced operator can use it because they can see the next bend, what they're doing.
Is that the same with the tooling as well? They can see that on the screen?
Yeah, they can see the top tooling and bottom tooling, so it gives them a visual representation of what they need to put in. Okay. It's a very accurate machine. It's just brilliant.
Yeah. That's it, nice and simple, it's just brilliant. So in terms of things like the throat and the axes, what are they like in terms of accuracy, depth and things?
The accuracy is brilliant, but every now and again you do have to calibrate it. Yeah. You do get slight movements, but that's down to the experienced setters. Yeah.
And then in terms of Y-axis, you've got Y1 and Y2. They're hydraulically set or manual or?
When you're first setting the machine up, if it overbends on one side or underbends, you can adjust Y1 or Y2 to compensate if it's overbending or underbending. There's also crowning in the middle, manual crowning on this machine, which again stops the overbending or underbending in the middle of a 4 metre sheet, for instance. Yeah,
so big sheets, but again, very simple to do in terms of manual and the Y1 and Y2 adjustment.
Yeah, it's very simple, very good.
Okay, now, we know it will press a 220 tonne. What sort of thickness will it do in terms of the sheet?
You can bend 20 mil, it depends if you've got the tooling, but not across that whole length.
Yeah, okay.
It's generally 8 times material thickness, gives you your tonnage per metre.
Right, okay. Sounds way too complicated for my small brain, but you can do up, like say, up to 20 mil.
You could do, but it'd probably be in a small length. I don't know without working out off the top of my head.
So, just to clarify, just to confirm and sort of reiterate, cost-effective solution, easy to use, fast, accurate. Anything else we can add to that?
No, it's just really good. We've had no issues with it whatsoever. It's been brilliant.
Brilliant. That's it. Sums it up nicely. It's been brilliant. Jamie, thank you very much.
Thank you.